Hey friends, quick tip about hooking up a trailer. All right friends, so when you're hooking up a trailer, you always want to make sure that the piece underneath gets underneath here. There's a piece right underneath here. When you push it up, there's like 2 fingers that kind of come back. You want to make sure that this ball gets all the way up to the top of this pocket for it. So we'll put this down. And this trailer has trouble with it. You can see it's kind of sitting right on here. It's not all the way down. So I'm gonna get it some space. See how it's not down yet? You don't want to keep going down with that. You got to get that ball into this pocket. See that? Good grief. This thing's being a real pain. I'm gonna put some white lithium grease on it. See how this won't go down? That's because the ball's not actually in here. So you gotta get it in there. And that's a pain. That's how it's supposed to go down. So this one's really finicky. You have to have the ball just in the perfect spot. So I'm gonna put a whole lot of grease on there. And then the next thing, once you fasten that down, put your pin through. If your chains hang down, just twist them. They won't hang down so far. There we go, friends. Quick tip on trailer hooking up. Thanks for watching.